So let me show it to you from a professional standpoint. So we're going to have people that are searching for you that are early up in the process, right? They're going to hire you, but maybe not for a couple months. So they get in and they're just reading your articles, and then they get out, they don't come back for a month, right? And you can call them tire kickers, but what we call them is they're just looking for kind of questions and answers. They're typing in what's a K-1 visa, because they heard it was a fiance visa. And so you have an article that explains what it is. They find that article, they read it, and they go back and talk to their future spouse, and they're like, okay, I understand it now. I found it from these people. They were really helpful. We can go back and figure out and learn a little bit more, right? So with those people, you want to nurture them while they're making their decisions, so that when they get ready to hire and they go back to you, or go back into Google and search for an immigration attorney near me, or a fiance immigration attorney near me, that they can find you. Now, there's those in the middle, and that means they have some commercial intent, but they're not signaling high commercial intent. And so we're looking at all the searches that are going on, we're breaking that in, and we create content for those at the bottom first, because that's where we really want to focus. And then we have nurture tools to bring the other two in, right? Just an example would be, you maybe heard stuff like this, is you write a high quality ebook, right? Make a video and a blog article page that talks about, what is a K-1, what is a fiance visa? And if you decide to initiate that and see if you fit, how do you do that easily and quickly? That's what they really want. So you're writing content to move them through the process. You give them an ebook they can download, you give them 3 days to read it, and on the 4th day, you say, do you have questions? Because we're happy to send you, here's our next ebook that talks about what to do next. So you're nurturing them along, you're the most helpful, and therefore you're quite likely to get them when they get to the bottom of the funnel. But the key is to start your focus at all costs down at the bottom, where people are looking to hire today. And you work in a beautiful business in the law firm where people are literally hundreds of times every single day in your area trying to hire you. It's beautiful. So we just need to connect those people with you, and then you need to get really great at closing them and hiring them, and specifically filtering them out, and then meeting with them, and then closing and getting hired. And when you're smooth on that, you're adding millions every year to your revenue, because that's what's being done.